All right, we now move on to speaking part two, and your topic is describe a course that impressed you a lot. Impressed is second form past tense, so you're going to speak in the past tense, right? Please, you can start.
Yes, I took a course last summer of photography, and it impressed me a lot because I'm very interested in photography, and it was very interesting taking that course. During that tenure, I really enjoyed it, so that was a great time learning photography as a activity in summers.
27 seconds. See that? So, did you write any notes?
I write the points.
Where? So you need to elaborate your points in some detail
Okay.
because you finished it in half minute. Half minute means out of 3 band you will be marked 1.5. So
Okay.
if 1.5 you get 1, your speaking is going the speaking result is going to be devastating. So you should follow this time limit, minimum 1 minute and maximum 2 minutes. Okay? Let's go on speaking part 3. Why do some people have a better memory?
I think some people are good with memorizing things and good to that they are very actively the I think
Yeah, this answer doesn't have any proper information. It's not clear. So you should work very hard with your all speaking part 1, part 2, and part 3. At the moment, it's not satisfactory. Okay? All right. Thank you.